Hi, my name is Praveen and I've been part of Ashok Leyland for the last 5 years. So the very first instance where I experienced the employee-centric nature of Ashok Leyland was actually during my job role allocation when I joined freshly as a graduate in Ashok Leyland, and wherein I had requested for a role in the organization which was not among the list of choices given to us. And incidentally, that particular role had never ever been offered before to a fresh graduate. But I made a case and they understood it, and before I knew it, I landed the role of a Six Sigma Black Belt in 2 manufacturing units in Hosur. So I became an American Society of Quality certified Six Sigma Black Belt at the age of 24, which actually made me one of the youngest black belts in the world. And this was purely because of the support that I got from my own reporting manager and my entire team. Recently, one of the biggest accomplishments for Ashok Leyland was winning the Deming Medal at Hosur and at Pantnagar, and I'm very proud to have been a part of that. One of the amazing things at Ashok Leyland is that how they empower you. I mean, I was able to change processes. I was able to talk to senior management and advise them and tell them what all should be done. And I think such freedom comes only in this company. The first fear that I had was I actually had to go and tell people twice or thrice my age to actually go and do something, and it was really scary for me at that time. But when I actually went and started doing it, I just realized that the concept of silos is completely absent in Ashok Leyland, wherein there is freedom to talk irrespective of your age or your experience. You can go ahead and express your opinions and views, and not only that, you're also empowered to take whatever actions necessary. I think our company fully recognizes the fact that nobody is a perfect fit to any role, right? So the first priority for any individual at Ashok, when you're going to join into Ashok Leyland, is just the will to work and the will to learn. I mean, if you have these two attitudes in you, I think you're already a fit for Ashok Leyland. So the very fact that I got a certification at such a young age. I worked in almost 7 to 8 functions in 5 years, and I've handled responsibilities and I've handled very big projects at a with very less experience at my back. I don't think such opportunities are available in any other organization. I think my journey truly resonates the philosophy of Aapki Jeet Hamari Jeet in Ashok Leyland, wherein Ashok Leyland trusted me and invested in me so that I can give back to the organization. And I think the next 10 years are going to be really wonderful here.